Hi, I'm an Instacart shopper and welcome to my channel. You might find my videos helpful if you're new to the job or want to talk more about it here on YouTube. I am genuinely excited to have you here. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I can help with. I hope you enjoy today's video. Tips, hacks, tricks, and ideas related to Instacart shopper gig job. First of all, to explain what is my proposal, I need to create a context. Let's start. The Matrix is a shared simulation into which most of the planet's humans remain plugged in. People's bodies are asleep, but their minds are dreaming in the late 21st century. Every person who is dreaming in this period of time lives in this period. The rules of the Matrix are based on those of classic physics, which govern people's movements. The problem is that they'll only follow those rules because they think they have to. But if you can see past the fact that your world is basically a simulation, you can break these rules. It's great that you're still here watching this. I thought it was time to reveal some secret tips on how to get an advantage for yourself while Instacart is suppressing the truth. Instacart shopper app is the Matrix, and you can defeat it and earn much more money. Let me go on. The blue and red pill classical scene from the Matrix offers a deep analysis of a situation that may, or may not, pertain to real life depending on the actual situation. The blue pill describes a continuity of the current state of life, for example living life without knowing its meaning, or running away from the truth to stay as is. In the movie, Morpheus, a major character, describes it as waking up in bed without caring for your destiny, or such profound ideas. The red pill is described as the solution for knowing the real truth in life. Morpheus explains it as continuing into the rabbit hole, or in other words, continuing to learn about the lies that were set in the world to break them and obtain freedom. Following the Instacart app's instructions are like taking a blue pill and continuing inside the Matrix. I will start telling you the first secret, and you believe it or not, the Instacart app needs you mess up. Yes. The Instacart app needs shoppers with lower rates to do the worst batches. I mean batches like $15, 40 items, heavy order, 15 miles away, and no tip. My name is Daniel, and I have been doing Instacart for a long time. I have experienced more than 4,000 batches and almost 6,000 deliveries in the last 24 months. My videos aims to show you the truth behind this gig job. It is a consens. You don't need to have a 180 intelligence coefficient. Most ordinary people can do this task. But the secret is my videos will teach you how to keep your rate high and receive from the Instacart app the bigger batches that one shopper can see. I will teach you from real experience what I am doing to keep my rate higher for months. I will give you tips on how to get higher batches. You'll learn hacks like how to get the tip modified post delivered, and much more. These videos will be direct, showing you how successfully to deal with every customer without wasting time. And more, getting 5-star reviews isn't the principal goal here, keep your 5 stars rate is. Get it to mine. Stop. You must be wondering what I mean by that. Let me explain it to you. If you have 60 reviews 5 stars, your rate won't be superior to 5, but if you get 3 stars or less, your rate will drop to 4.96 or fewer, which means fewer good batches to see in the app. Are you ready to take the red pill and know everything that really matters to be a successful shopper? I'm going to show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Thank you for watching. My aim is to create the best content possible, so I appreciate feedback, and will use it as a way to improve future videos. If you enjoyed this one, then please consider hitting that like button and subscribe to my channel.